Hello, children. In this class, we are going to start a new chapter, and the name of this chapter is Housing and Clothing. In this chapter, we are going to learn about different types of houses and clothes. So, let's start. Okay, home sweet home. We all need a place to live in. A house is a place where we live and feel safe. A house protects us from the sun, the rain, and the wind. People live in different types of houses. We feel safe in our home. Okay, we all live in houses. Why we live in house? Because we feel safe in the house. The house protect us from the sun rays and the rain and the wind. Next, types of houses. There are different types of houses, and so learn about. Let's learn about it. Most people live in one place for a long time. They live in permanent houses. Some people move from one city to another because of their jobs. They too live in permanent houses. Some people keep moving from one place to another. They live in temporary houses. Okay. The first type of house is permanent house. The people who live in one place for long time, and they build houses there, and the house cannot move, so this is called permanent house. And some people move from another city, one city to another, because of many reasons, and they too live in permanent houses. And there are some people who keep moving from one place to another, and they need a temporary house. এখানে দু রকম হাউসের কথা বলা হচ্ছে, একটা হচ্ছে পার্মানেন্ট হাউস আর একটা হচ্ছে টেম্পোরারি হাউস। ওকে, most common temporary house is a hut. Many Jawans and scouts live in tents in their camps. Some people live in houses on wheels called caravans. A houseboat is a floating house. It can be seen in Kashmir. The most common temporary house is a hut. This is a picture of hut, and this is mainly built with dry leaves, thatch, etc. Next, many Jawans and scouts live in tents in their camps. This is a tent, and this is also a temporary house, and this is mainly made of cloth. Next, it is a caravan, house on wheels. This is also a temporary house. We can move this house anywhere. And this is a houseboat, and it is mainly seen in Kashmir, because in Kashmir the people are lived in a house that is made on a boat. Next, what are houses made of? Houses are made of different materials like straw, mud, dry leaves, bamboo, wood, bricks, cement, tiles, and stones. People build houses with materials which they can get easily. Here some materials are given that the people are commonly used to make their houses. The materials are straw, mud, dry leaves, bamboo, wood, brick, and these materials are easy to get, so people use this material to build their houses. Okay, in hilly places people live in houses made of wood. When Eskimos goes hunting, they build igloos from snow for shelter. Okay. um, some houses made of different materials are given here. This is a house made of wood. This is a house, you can see here, this house is totally built with woods. A house made of stones, you can see this house is totally made with stones. And a house made of straw and mud. straw মানে হচ্ছে খড়, মানে যেটা আমরা যে ভাত খাই, যেটা ধান থেকে আসে, ধানের যে গাছ সেটাকে স্ট্র বলে, শুকনো গাছটাকে. So this house is made of straw and mud, and this is called igloos. The people who lived in the snow region, and when they go for hunting, they make a temporary house, and it is totally made with snow. Okay, next, different kind of roofs. Okay, there's many kind of roofs. We have different kind of roofs. Roofs may be flat or sloping. In places which have heavy rainfall, people make houses with sloping roofs. Can you guess? Roofs can also be made of thatch or slate. Okay, uh, there are two types of roofs, that is flat or sloping. The people who lived in the area where heavy rainfall occurs, they make their roofs sloping, because there is heavy rainfall, and the rainwater passes if the roofs is sloping. And a roof can also be made of thatch or slate. Next, a good house. Okay, let us read about some features of a good house. A good house must let in plenty of sunshine and fresh air. A good house must have trees nearby. We must look after our house. We must keep it neat and clean. Okay, a good house must let pass the plenty of sunshine and a fresh air. It must not dump. একটা ভালো বাড়ির কী হবে, ভালো বাড়িতে সানশাইন মানে সূর্যের আলো এবং বাতাস যেন ঢোকে, মানে সেটা যেন বদ্ধ না হয়. এ গুড হাউস মাস্ট হ্যাভ ট্রিজ নিয়ার বাই. একটা ভালো বাড়ির চারিপাশে গাছ থাকবে. উই মাস্ট লুক আফটার আওয়ার হাউস, অ্যান্ড উই মাস্ট মেক আওয়ার হাউস নিট অ্যান্ড ক্লিন. Okay, empty out the waste paper basket every day. Do not throw things on the floor. Keep your toys and books in their places. Okay, here some ways are given by which you can make your house neat and clean. Like must empty your waste paper basket every day, and do not throw things on the floor, or keep it in that place, and keep your toys and books in their places. Next, okay, come to our clothes. Just as we needed a house to live in, we need clothes to wear. We wear clothes to cover ourselves. Clothes protect us from heat and the cold. Clothes protect us from the rain and the wind. As we need our house, we need clothes also, because clothes protect us from heat and cold and rain and wind. There are various types of clothes you can see here. During summer we wear cotton clothes. These are cotton clothes. In the summer we can wear it. This is woolen clothes, and we can use these clothes in winter season. and this is a raincoat. When it raining outside, we can use this coat that do not let us wet. Okay, let us say it again. A house gives us shelter from the sun, the rain, and the wind. Some houses are permanent while others are temporary. Different materials are used to build houses. Some houses have flat roofs, some have sloping roofs. A house should have plenty of sunshine and fresh air. Clothes protect us from the heat, the cold, the rain, and the wind. Okay, students, that's all for now. We will continue the class in the next session. Thank you.